It wasn't that long ago that I was sitting right where you are. You're right at that stage where small choices can make a big difference in your bonsai journey. This is the point where just a little extra structure can save you years. There is a moment in bonsai where hands-on time changes everything. You just have to ask yourself, is this that time? Your tree may have a lot of potential. It just needs direction now in its stage of development. Here at Dirty Locust, we can help with that. In the very beginning of my bonsai journey, I lost a few years on trees before I understood their stage of development. This is exactly where I started slowing down and learning differently. We invite you to join us as we focus on teaching you the step-by-step techniques in the repotting, care, and maintenance of a bonsai. In this part of your journey, I'm sure you've already done the hard part. Now it's just about refinement. This crossroads you face is a critical turning point and the next step in shaping your bonsai journey. If you have reached the why isn't this obvious stage of your bonsai journey, there are tools for this if you want them. We have them here at Dirty Locust. As your journey begins, you will notice that each month we focus on a different species of tree that's seasonal specific.